on what's a beautiful morning on the Henry's Fork. We put in at Chester Dam and we're rowing up about a half a mile. Water's calm, temperature's about 52 degrees. Already knocked the skunk off the boat, which is awesome. It is absolute glass out here this morning, guys. There's just a small breeze. The water is just flat as can be. This is one of those days it doesn't matter if you catch fish. What? It always matters if you catch fish. There we go. Nice. Oh, he came off. Good grief. All right. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Good grief. Oh yeah, keep them on, keep them on. Good looking rainbow. He's definitely had seen some days. Good looking fish right there, guys. Let's let him go. There he goes, and he's off. So when you come and visit Idaho, always bring reindeer. Don't be fooled by what the sky looks like. It could be clear skies, no wind. If you give it 5 minutes, you could have snow, rain, sleet, hail for sure. If you wait 5 minutes, it'll change. Oh, there he is right there. Whoa! Ember jumped in the boat. Alright. So what we have here is a cutthroat. Can I see him here? And cuts, they have this undermarkings underneath their mouths and their gill plates. Okay guys, that was a big fish. Man, he just pulled the boat sideways. Good grief. Oh, he threw it. That was a good fish, big rainbow. He came out of the water and threw it. We're gonna try out this XPS swim bait, little rainbow. Never in my life have I used a swim bait, so let's see what this is all about. Oh my goodness. I'll be damned. Oh no! Huh. Well guys, the swim bait works. That's crazy. There's brown trout. Now we're just gonna get things packed up and get back to the house. It's time to be a productive citizen. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, consider hitting the subscribe button, hit that little bell notification so next time videos come out, you'll be sure to get notified. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you next time on the water.